Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie Franklin if you are new, and this is the Franklin Foundations. Today I'm going to be doing a different kind of clean with me video. I'm going to focus strictly on my refrigerator behind me. We are going to do a full-on declutter and clean of the inside and the outside. You notice I'm all nasally today. It's because my sinuses and my allergies hate me. So y'all just gonna have to bear with me, and we're gonna try to get through this as painlessly as possible and hopefully get you guys motivated to deep clean your fridge if you ain't done it in months like me. The first thing I'm going to do is empty my fridge and throw away what needs to be thrown away so that after it is cleaned, it is also decluttered and ready to go for the next time I go grocery shopping. A dear friend of mine said she likes playing a game while watching my videos called Find the Super White Cat. Well, there you go, Allison. For anyone wondering what the black stuff is in my freezer, it is not mold or anything of that type, I promise. It is actually chocolate icing from a cake mishap that I had last year, which shows you how long it's been since I've cleaned this thing. Now you'll see me do a quick surface clean of the front, sides, and top of my fridge. We have reached the end of our video, and this is the finished product. Thank you all so much for watching today. It would mean so much to me if you would give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and click that bell button so you'll get notifications on all my new videos. You all don't know how much all this means to me. I love you all so much, and thank you so much for your support. But until next time, I'll see y'all then.